Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do it, you know how we roll. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well. Hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. And if you watch the video to the end or to the middle, please don't forget to hit the like button as well. Let me know your thoughts on this makeup look if you enjoy it. All right, so with that being said, today guys, I'm coming up to you with this kind of outgoing look, put together makeup look ish. I'm super into it, like seriously, I'm super duper into it. It's an effortless makeup look, still glamorous look put together. All right, and I'm loving the way my face is just glowing, dropping, tap 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 tap. With this look you have two lip option. I only just come out with this kind of peachy, beautiful, glossy lip, and I'm loving it. Let me know what you think. You can rock any lip combo you want to rock it with. Okay, to achieve this look guys, this eye look, I use the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession palette. I've not really rocked this palette the way, this kit the way I want, but today I decided just to, you know, pair it with this Soft Glam palette by ABH, and which I'm super loving the way everything turned out guys. It's juicy, right? Anyway, without any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this eye makeup ish look, you don't know what to do, just go on and enjoy. So guys, what up? We are pretty much done. Let's get the ball rolling. So to prime my eye, to make my eyeshadow stay and pop out more, I'm going to be taking the Infallible More Than Concealer by Loreal. I'm just going to apply that all over my eye. So I'm going to take this Sephora brush. I'm just going to blend everything all over my eye. Powder, Airspun low setting powder. I'm just going to set it very light, not too much. I'll be taking the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession. I've not really rocked this palette, this kit, little kit right here the way I want. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this shade right here as my transition color. As you can see me do, I'm not blending, I'm just dabbing. First, just apply it. You guys know how we roll. We apply before. Put together, you know, I love to use the word put together. So this is the kind of look that you are doing. It's an effortless look, but it's a chill look, right? You don't hurry, you just, you know, you just beat your face to the next level, to the highest order. Okay, just beat your eye look, and it's going to drop it like a tap tap. It's a look we are doing right now. I'm feeling this look already. So for the next shade, I'm taking this burgundy shade right here and using the same brush, and I'm gently blending it out with a circular motion. Into the shade, and then put it and apply it and put it and apply it to the place I know I need the color to be. So, and then later I start to blend and blend and blend and blend. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, the way I'm holding my brush right now, the way I'm holding my brush is going to determine the kind of the shape of eye that I'm going for. Okay, and also the eyeshadow is going to stick exactly to that area I'm blending it into. It's not going to transfer to any other place, if that makes sense. Wipe my brush and then dip in my brush into the first color as a transition color, and I'm going to blend out my brow bone like that. You see how we do it? This is an effortless look. Okay. So yeah, that is what we're doing. Soft Glam palette, and I'm taking a smaller brush. I'm taking this Juvia's Place Passion brush, and I'm dipping my brush into this shade called Crusty Amber, this one right here. dust the excess away because the pigment is not here. I'm just going to apply that exactly into my crease and my outer corner, and then blend it towards my lid area. And at the same time, I'm drinking my black coffee. Cheers to you guys. Cheers. Nothing, no sugar, no milk, black. Okay. Wow. 6+, this one right here, just a little bit, just like so. So the reason why I'm doing this, so that the eyeshadow will come out well, the pigment will just be blowing to the wind, will just be dropping all over this one right here. This is how it looks like. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, baby girl, what you doing with us? What you doing with us? More concentration, more tap tap. I'm going to be taking this shade right here, light peach color. I'm just going to apply that on my brow bone. Yeah, baby girl. Yes. The highlight is in here. The brow bone highlight, honey. You don't want to know, darlings. You don't want to know. And when I am editing my photo for the gram and I'm checking like my brow bone isn't really in the real life like this, girl, you need to break it down. And then I start to highlight with a matte shade, and since then the level of my brow bone popping, dropping like a tap tap has changed completely, period. Try it, it works a lot. You know, when you have so much shiny on your face, it can ruin your pictures. I'm doing it and it's helping. Try it. Try it, I recommend it to you. Try it. Use a light matte shade to highlight your brow bone. It helps. It helps. You see how that is popping? Excuse that. To line my waterline using the Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner, I'm just going to line my waterline only. Kind of eyeliner you should do for this eye look. You don't do cat eye, you don't do bold eye, you don't do small cat eye, you just do a number. You line your lash band, and that is it. Shape look. As you can see, super round. So right now I'm going to be taking this Loreal black lacquer eyeliner. This eyeliner, guys, I must introduce it perfectly to you properly. This eyeliner is like a tattoo. Okay, when you apply it, you can easily use your finger. When you no longer need it, you can use your finger just to gently rip it off without it's not staining anything on your eye. Try it. It's very good. I've been using it since I got it, over 2 weeks now, or a week if I'm not mistaken. But I still use my gel liner, but this one has been the grail, the holy grail. Ah, good. This shade by ABH Fairy, I'm just going to apply to my inner corner. That was not the highlight I wanted to, the shade I wanted to achieve. Okay, I wanted something brighter and something champagne. This one is coming like yellow gold. That was not the look I was going for. We are in now already, we can go out, so we just had to make it work. Shidishangpin, this one right, Shidishangpin. It's not too dramatic. I'm out, don't judge me, okay? I had to use it. We're in quarantine, okay? Stay indoors, get safe, stay safe, do your thing, and get ill and go out and pop and drop to the world, period. Okay, infinity, I'm still looking. Infinity spice, okay? Infinity spice. Anyway, Infinity Spice. So yeah. NYX Butter Gloss. Apply that to gloss it up a little bit. I can't remember the last time I used this gloss. I can't remember. Yes. Yes. Should I touch it with extra gloss or should I leave it like this? Good. Button. Okay. And comment with your beautiful fingers. Okay, I'll be right back. Stay tuned.